inflatable camp mattress. So yeah, it takes about 10 to 12 breaths in here, and I can inflate it. I used to just use this thing. It is pretty comfortable just by itself, but now I've got the Therm-a-Rest Z Lite as well. This thing is sweet. It's an accordion style. I can use it as a chair, as a yoga mat. Highly recommend these ones. It also adds a lot of R value. It's like thermal insulation, so that the cold from the ground doesn't just come up right into this thing. So now I will underinflate this one because I have something else soft to sleep on. I could probably just sleep on this. It would be a bit hard and a bit bumpy. You can feel sticks and stuff underneath, but it is pretty comfortable just by itself. So I think that having both of them is just a game changer. Man, I sleep so well on top of this and this. Plus I've got some padding from the sleeping bag. That's really nice. And yeah, that's my sleeping setup.